Shalom, I'm Amir Tsafati, the founder and president of Behold Israel. And if you've never heard of our ministry, I would like to take some time and explain who we are and what we do. Israel holds a dear place in my heart. As a native-born Israeli, as an officer in the I.D.F., and former deputy governor of Jericho, and a Bible teacher all around the globe, I felt called by the Lord to share not only the biblical significance of Israel, but also to explain current events in the Middle East in light of Bible prophecy. So how do we do that? Well, our ministry is comprised of three different parts. First is our online presence, our website, our free app, and the various social media platforms. Through the website and app, you can find information on our upcoming teaching engagements, Bible experience tours, and the latest unfiltered news straight from Israel, and much more. On YouTube, you can find also my teachings from around the globe, available at no cost. You can also stay connected by following me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Second, we have our Bible experience tours where you, your family, and your friends can come and explore where Jesus walked and learn about the past, present, and the future of the Holy Land. Lastly, I have the privilege to travel and teach at churches and conferences all around the globe about Israel and current events in relation to end times. Throughout our ministry, we ultimately seek to lead people to the saving knowledge of the Messiah and to strengthen the faith of those who already believe in Him. So this is who we are, and this is what we do. And we invite you to be part of what God is doing through our ministry. Help us cause others to behold Israel.